Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix CapCut export not working. If CapCut is refusing to export your project, one common cause is a performance setting that can interfere with the export process on some devices. In this walkthrough, we'll adjust that setting and then try the export again. To begin, open the CapCut app and make sure your project is loaded. Once you're inside the app, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You should see the main menu there. This menu gives you access to CapCut's broader app settings, including the performance options that can affect exporting. Go ahead and click on that top left menu. When the menu opens, look for the Settings option and select it. This will take you into the area where CapCut stores system and playback preferences. Inside Settings, click on Performance. This section controls how CapCut uses your device's hardware while editing and exporting. If export has been failing, freezing, or not completing properly, the setting we're about to change may help resolve it. Now look for the option labeled Speed Up Hardware Encoding. If this setting is currently enabled, uncheck it to turn it off. Disabling hardware encoding can help if CapCut is having trouble communicating properly with your graphics hardware or system resources during export. While hardware encoding can improve speed on some machines, it may also create compatibility problems on others, especially if drivers or device optimization are not working perfectly. After unchecking that option, click Save to apply the change. It's important to save before leaving the settings page, so CapCut uses the updated performance configuration. Once that's done, go to the Export button in the top right corner and click it. From there, follow the on-screen procedure to export your video. At this point, CapCut should attempt the export using the updated settings, which may allow the process to complete successfully. If the export takes a little longer than before, that can be normal after turning off hardware encoding, since the app may rely more on software processing instead. The key goal here is stability rather than speed. That's all you need to do to try this fix. By opening CapCut, going into the menu, heading to Settings, selecting Performance, disabling Speed Up Hardware Encoding, saving the change, and exporting again, you give the app a better chance of completing the export without errors. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you get your CapCut project exported successfully.